Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Learn Gujarati. I hope you guys are doing well. So, let's start with our today's session. Today, again, we are going to learn some daily use Gujarati sentences or phrases. The very first is It's none of your business. તે તમારો વિષય નથી. It's none of your business. તે તમારો વિષય નથી. The next one is I will come. હું આવીશ. I will come. હું આવીશ. Next one is I will attend. હું હાજરી આપીશ. I will attend. હું હાજરી આપીશ. So in this sentence, attend is equals હાજરી. In this sentence, attend is equals હાજરી. I can't move. હું ખસેડી શકતો નથી. I can't move. હું ખસેડી શકતો નથી. In this sentence, move is equals ખસેડી. In this sentence, move is equals ખસેડી. And I can't is equals હું શકતો નથી. I can't is equals હું શકતો નથી. So the complete sentence will be હું ખસેડી શકતો નથી. I can't move is equals હું ખસેડી શકતો નથી. The next one is I can't sleep. હું સૂઈ શકતો નથી. I can't sleep. હું સૂઈ શકતો નથી. So in this sentence, sleep is equals સૂઈ. In this sentence, sleep is equals સૂઈ. And I can't is equals હું શકતો નથી. I can't is equals હું શકતો નથી. So the complete sentence will be હું સૂઈ શકતો નથી. હું સૂઈ શકતો નથી. I can't sleep is equals હું સૂઈ શકતો નથી. The next one is I can't eat. I can't eat. હું ખાઈ શકતો નથી. હું ખાઈ શકતો નથી. So in this sentence, eat is equals ખાઈ. In this sentence, eat is equals ખાઈ. So basically, eating means ખાવું. So basically, eating means ખાવું. But in this sentence, we are using ખાઈ for eat. And for I can't is equals હું શકતો નથી. For I can't, હું શકતો નથી. So guys, if you see in these three sentences, like for example, very first is I can't move. Then I can't sleep. Then I can't eat. So if you have observed, for I can't, હું, then bracket, શકતો નથી. I can't do. For example, I can't do. હું કરી શકતો નથી. હું કરી શકતો નથી. For do, we can use કરી. હું કરી શકતો નથી. Like that. So for all I can't, you can use હું, then bracket. You can add the word which you want, then શકતો નથી. For example, I can't run. For example, I can't run. And for run, we can say દોડવું. For run, we can say દોડવું. So for here, હું દોડી શકતો નથી. So in that case, હું દોડી શકતો નથી. For running, દોડવું. And for this sentence, I mean, I can't run, we can say હું that દોડી શકતો નથી, like that. The next one is I don't know. મને ખબર નથી. મને ખબર નથી. I don't know is equals મને ખબર નથી. The next one is bring him in. Bring him in. તેને અંદર લાવો. Bring him in. તેને અંદર લાવો. So in this sentence, in is equals અંદર. In this sentence, in is equals under and bring is equals લાવો. Bring is equals લાવો. The next one is come with us. અમારી સાથે આવો. Come with us. અમારી સાથે આવો. So in this sentence, come is equals આવો. In this sentence, come is equals આવો and with us is equals અમારી સાથે. With us is equals અમારી સાથે. So the complete sentence will be અમારી સાથે આવો. Come with us. અમારી સાથે આવો. The next one is are you tired? So we'll start with questionary word શું. We'll start this sentence with questionary word શું. શું તમે થાકી ગયા? Are you tired? શું તમે થાકી ગયા? So in this sentence, tired means થાકી ગયા. In this sentence, tired means થાકી ગયા. So the complete sentence will be શું તમે થાકી ગયા. Okay, and for તમે, the word is you. You is the word for તમે in Gujarati. Okay, I'm repeating. Are you tired? શું તમે થાકી ગયા? The next one is may I come in? હું અંદર આવી શકું? May I come in? હું અંદર આવી શકું? So in this sentence, come in means અંદર આવી. And for may I, we can use શકું like that. So we are asking, that's why we have added questionary expression on our face. I'm repeating. May I come in? હું અંદર આવી શકું? So the next one is please come in. મહેરબાની કરીને અંદર આવો. Please come in. મહેરબાની કરીને અંદર આવો. So in this sentence, please is equals મહેરબાની કરીને. In this sentence, please is equals મહેરબાની કરીને and come in is equals અંદર આવો. Come in is equals અંદર આવો. The next one is I am warning you. હું તમને ચેતવણી આપું છું. I am warning you. હું તમને ચેતવણી આપું છું. So in this sentence, warning is equals ચેતવણી. In this sentence, warning is equals ચેતવણી. The next one is I am in trouble. હું મુશ્કેલીમાં છું. I am in trouble. હું મુશ્કેલીમાં છું. So in this sentence, trouble is equals મુશ્કેલી. In this sentence, trouble is equals મુશ્કેલી. The next one is keep quiet. શાંતિ રાખો. Keep quiet. શાંતિ રાખો. The next one is don't worry. ચિંતા કરશો નહીં. Don't worry. ચિંતા કરશો નહીં. Let's have some quick exercise from our previous session. What word is used for slapping in Gujarati? Excellent guys. Slapping is equals લાફો મારવો. In Gujarati, slapping is equals લાફો મારવો. How would you say I am tired in Gujarati? Well done guys. હું થાક્યો છું. I am tired is equals હું થાક્યો છું in Gujarati. How would you say this works in Gujarati? Well done guys. આ કામ કરે છે. This works is equals આ કામ કરે છે. What word is used for love in Gujarati? Well done. Love is equals प्यार in Gujarati. Love is equals प्यार in Gujarati. How would you say I trust him in Gujarati? Correct. મને તેના પર વિશ્વાસ છે. I trust him. મને તેના પર વિશ્વાસ છે. Let's say for example, if instead of him, if there is her, let's say I trust her, then the same sentence, just a small change over here is મને તેણી પર વિશ્વાસ છે. Like instead of તેના, we have to use તેણી. મને તેણી પર વિશ્વાસ છે. Thank you so much my dear friends to watching the video. I hope you are enjoying all the videos and learning Gujarati very well. So guys, please like my all the videos, share with your friends so they can also learn Gujarati, and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Jai Shri Krishna.